Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying the controller runs a programmable microcontroller that supports a watchdog timer. This is the only reliable auto-reset method. Once confirmed, power the controller and back up existing firmware to avoid permanent loss. Make sure you have a hardware programmer and know the MCU pinout, reset pin, and VCC. Begin by connecting the programmer and opening your development environment. This initial setup prevents mistakes and sets you up to flash a small watchdog-enabled firmware patch immediately. Now implement the watchdog. Modify or write firmware that enables the MCU watchdog with a safe timeout, typically 1 to 5 seconds depending on how quickly you need a reset. Insert a single safe boot flag in non-volatile memory so you can detect failed boots. In the main loop, kick the watchdog at predictable points. If the code locks up, the watchdog will expire and reset the MCU. After compiling, flash the firmware and watch serial output, or an LED to confirm the watchdog is armed and kicking correctly. Finish by thoroughly testing. Deliberately induce a lock condition to ensure the watchdog triggers a reset and the controller recovers cleanly. Once done, monitor multiple cycles to verify reliability under real use. If resets don't occur, check hardware. The reset pin connection, decoupling capacitors, and stable VCC. Also reconfirm the watchdog enable bits and timeout settings in firmware. Make sure to restore or merge changes into the main firmware only after repeated successful tests to avoid bricking the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.